Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the turbocharger from your Audi A4. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, you'll need to drain the engine's oil and coolant, which is crucial for preventing spills. Then, remove the airbox and intake piping, typically secured by a few clamps and screws. Finally, carefully detach the heat shields, often held by 3 to 4 bolts, to expose the turbo. Now, let's focus on detaching the various lines connected to the turbo. You'll need to disconnect the oil feed and return lines, often secured by banjo bolts requiring a 6mm Allen bit or a 17mm wrench. Next, carefully remove the coolant hoses, which may leak a small amount of fluid. Don't forget the intercooler piping and any small vacuum lines, along with electrical connectors like the diverter valve. With the lines disconnected, it's time to tackle the exhaust components. First, unbolt the catalytic converter from the turbocharger, typically involving 4 15mm nuts. Then, remove the downpipe, which is usually held by 2 nuts and a bracket. Next, loosen the 4 to 5 bolts securing the turbo to the exhaust manifold, often requiring a 12mm socket. Finally, carefully lift and remove the turbocharger assembly from the engine bay. Before installing a new or rebuilt turbo, take a moment to inspect all components for any wear or damage. Thoroughly clean all mating surfaces to ensure a perfect seal, which is critical for preventing leaks. It's highly recommended to use all new gaskets, O-rings, and hardware, as these are often included in turbo replacement kits. Finally, ensure all bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's precise specifications for a secure and reliable installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.